Hi everyone, my name is Faitna Yolia Andini from C11 2018 01918 from English department. So this day I would like to interpret some of videos in YouTube channel with the topic is self-love. So here we go to the first video.
Pasti kita pernah ya beli tas, beli baju baru, jalan-jalan ke luar negeri, atau kita beli sesuatu yang emang jadi hobi kita atau barang impian kita adalah alasan kita mencintai diri sendiri atau bentuk self love yang kita punya. Tapi ternyata setelah beli semua barang-barang itu, sama aja tuh kita kayak merasa belum bisa mencintai diri sendiri. Jadi sebenarnya apa sih makna dari mencintai diri sendiri atau self love yang kita punya sebagai manusia supaya kita secara sadar, penuh dan utuh mencintai apa yang sudah Allah dan Tuhan beri kepada kita.
So in the first video, she said like definitely we had something to buy, like expensive bag, some new clothes, traveling around the world or traveling overseas. That is part of our hobbies, and our dream stuff or our dream item that we bought is represent or the reason that we love ourselves, like we call it self-love. But it turns out after you bought all the items or all the stuff, you still cannot love yourself, or you can giving yourself a self-love after you buy all the things that you bought before, okay? And then she said about, so what is the exactly meaning of self-love that we had as human, so we can be conscious, full and intact to love what God gives us.
Jadi memang benar teman-teman bahwa semua orang itu punya satu cerita gitu di masa lalu dia, dan bahkan kadang yang membuat hari ini kita insecure, membuat kita ngerasa terancam, membuat kita ngerasa benci sama seseorang, atau bahkan membuat kita ingin memiliki sebuah impian besar tapi kita nggak bisa mencapainya, itu sangat dipengaruhi oleh kejadian-kejadian di masa kecil kita. Nah, salah satu cara kita untuk dealing sama semua itu adalah dengan merasa cinta dan sayang sama hati dan juga diri sendiri. Berbaik hati atau be compassion sama diri kita, ternyata itu jadi bagian untuk kita bisa mencintai siapa sebenarnya diri ini.
Okay, in the next video, she talk about everyone or every individual has their own stories from the past. So, and sometimes there's something that makes us feel insecure, feel threatened, feel hate to someone, and even make us had a big dream but we cannot achieve it. So that is strongly influenced from our childhood memories or even of the past. So one way to deal with all of this is to feel love and loving our heart, loving ourselves, be generous, be passionate with ourselves, so it can be part of how to love who we are actually.
Oke, aku akan ngebahas tentang self love teman-teman. Jadi sebenarnya self love itu adalah mencintai diri sendiri dan segala sesuatu yang tumbuh dari kita kecil sampai dewasa, termasuk inner child itu tadi. Dan itu harus kita punya dulu nih supaya kita bisa mencintai orang lain.
In this part, to say, okay, I will talk about self-love, everybody. So self-love is about loving ourselves and loving everything that grows up from when we are kid to adults, including the inner child, and it should we have first, so we can love others or we can loving someone in our lives.
Kalau kita punya pasangan yang mencintai kita, tapi kita nggak mencintai diri sendiri, maka semua pujian dia itu merasa tidak jadi ada artinya. Kalau misalnya tipikal pasangan kita itu yang sukanya memuji fisik nih, kamu cantik banget sayang, tapi kita nggak pernah merasa cantik, maka pujian itu nggak akan jadi cukup untuk kita bisa merasa nyaman sama diri kita.
If you have a couple who loves you but you don't love yourself, then all the praises that your partner gives has nothing. It has no meaning. If your partner typical who likes to gives you compliment from the physical side, like, oh, you're so beautiful honey, but you're not feeling beautiful at all, then the compliment will not be enough to make you be comfortable of yourself.
Masa sih aku cantik? Enggak, aku tuh gendutan deh, aku tuh pipinya cabai deh. Jadi kita gak akan pernah berasa dicintai kalau kita gak mencintai diri sendiri. Pernah gak sih ngerasa kayak gitu?
What, am I pretty? No, I'm feeling fatter. My cheek is chubby. Oh guys, so you will never feel love if you don't love yourself. Have you ever been there situation?
Kalau kita menjatuhkan kebahagiaan kita atas sesuatu di luar diri kita, maka kita nggak akan bisa benar-benar bahagia dan mencintai diri secara utuh dan penuh.
If we depend our happiness over something outside from our own, then we will not really happy and we won't be full love ourselves. So that is all the videos that I take from Annalisa channel. You can go to the link or you can go to the YouTube channels that Annalisa channel. You can watch and learn from that video from there, like me, to self our love, of course. So thank you for your attention. Bye bye.